Hi, hello there, and today we're going to be shooting these cups with all of these guns, starting from the lightest to the medium to the biggest. So I'll see you outside when we're shooting. Bye. Right, hello, we are here. First, this little gun, this one's the lightest and it's the lightest hitting. Right, point blank. Ooh. Right. That looks pretty nasty. It's okay compared to the other ones, but it looks like a mini slit and it's okay for holding water. That was pretty bad, but see you with the next gun. Right, next gun is this one. It's pretty good. Right, let's shoot the cup. See what the aftermath is. Oh, dang! I gotta look at this. Look! Oh no! Oh god, that is a big slit in the side. That would not hold water very well. Yeah, look at that. Anyway, I'll see you with the big boy, the rifle. Right, finally time for the big boy. Big guns. Look at this. Whoa! Okay, that was brutal. Oh my, it got knocked over. Oh god. Look, it sliced it in half. Oh my. Yeah, no wonder the water all burst out. Oh god. Yeah, that isn't very good. That was my first video. It would be really nice to you guys to like and subscribe or whatever. Please do whatever you can. I'm just a little channel. I'm trying to climb my way up the algorithm. The algorithm. Sorry, I can't even talk properly.